Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to type this symbol in MS Word. So guys, very simple. If you want to type this symbol in MS Word, so firstly click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol, type character code 00 E A. After click on insert and click on close. That is. So guys, very simple and easy. Firstly click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol and type here character code 00 E A and click on insert. After click on close. That is. So this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.